Welcome all to another insightful session of Gurukulplex. Today, we embark on a journey to understand the concept of time management and its profound impact on our lives. Time, the elusive force that governs our existence, is a resource that often slips through our fingers if left unmanaged. However, with the art of time management, we can seize control of this precious asset and channel it towards our goals and aspirations. The first step in our quest is to unravel the fascinating psychology of time perception. You see, time is subjective. It can speed up when we're engaged in enjoyable activities and crawl when we're faced with tedious tasks. By understanding how our minds perceive time, we can leverage this knowledge to enhance our productivity and make the most of each moment. Various factors influence our ability to manage time effectively. One such factor is our internal motivation. When we find purpose and meaning in our actions, time seems to bend to our will. On the other hand, lack of motivation can cause time to slip away unnoticed, leaving us feeling unfulfilled and regretful. Distractions, the ever-present temptations that pull us away from our priorities. Our ability to manage time is directly affected by our ability to resist distractions and maintain focus. We'll explore strategies to overcome these distractions and create an environment conducive to productivity. Effective time management offers a multitude of benefits, my friends. It allows us to allocate our resources efficiently, enabling us to strike a balance between our personal and professional commitments. It reduces stress, enhances our decision-making abilities, and provides us with a sense of accomplishment as we witness our goals turning into reality. So, dear viewers, let us embark on this enlightening journey together. Join me as we dive deep into the realm of time management, uncovering its secrets, exploring its intricacies, and equipping ourselves with the tools necessary to make every second count. Together, we shall master the art of time management and unlock the doors to productivity and success. Stay tuned for our upcoming episodes, where we will delve further into the practical strategies and techniques that will transform your relationship with time. Until then, remember, time is a precious gift, and it is up to us to make the most of it.